Riding through the hood, blowing smoke in the wind. Raising up my glass, let's toast to the wind. I'm only getting started, I ain't close to the end. I came to make a point, I don't want no friends. So I tell them bitches.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Mo Power 1500 back at it again with another video. Let's get it. As y'all can see, I'm in the garage. I got the light right on me so I can take you out and show you all the different lights that I got going around the truck. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and shoot this video right here where it's getting close to being dark, but it's not really dark outside yet. But without further ado, let's get it. All right, y'all. Here's my 2019 Ram 1500 limited edition. I'm finna go through all of the lights that I have added. I'll give you a walk around so you can see a lot of the stuff as it is right now. And then I will talk to you about everything that I have in here. If I miss anything or you want me to go more in depth, just leave it in my comments and I will gladly go more in depth on all of my lights. I do have a couple lights that are off currently that I'll turn on and show you because there's just so much going on and so much light will be being thrown at this camera that I had to cut a couple of them off. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, y'all, I turned on my 3 lights in the front of the truck because I also have those, and like I said, those are stupid bright, especially if I come and try to get a front camera view. It kind of just like sends so much light from the front of the truck that it's ridiculous. I love riding with those on in person. They just look so good because you can see them so individually, but the camera does something. It just picks up the light way too much. But this is how I ride around. A lot of times you can see it's a little raining right now. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's really wet out here. But yeah, so let's start with the front. Up there at the top, I got those light pods right there. They're LED pods. They do that daytime running actual feature, and then they actually have the LEDs in there and they'll be able to zoom in. I love them. I use them for the daytime running light feature for the most part, but every now and again, if I need some spotlight, I have spotlights on the truck, so I'm able to do that. It's one of the features I have. I have those 3 lights that are in the middle. You can see they're shining like crazy. I have a light bar down in the bottom. That's really, the way I have it set up is just for looks, because that light bar is not supposed to fit there, and I made it be able to go there. I can drop it to be able to actually use it to emit light outward, and I will do that later on. All right, sorry about that. My pops called me, but yeah, I'll fix that light bar later on and actually set it up. But right now, I just like the use that I have for it. It has 2 different settings. It has a white setting and an orange setting. And if you see my truck during the daytime, all of my lights are tinted yellow, so it's actually tinted yellow. So there's a yellow setting and this orange setting that it's on right now, and that orange emits through that yellow tint, no problem. All right, so next I got my lighting trends lights, and I got a couple different things with lighting trends, but I have my lighting trends DRLs that I can go all different colors on. Right now they're set to orange, and then I have lighting trends Demon eyes. Those things are set to red. Let me back up a little bit because yeah, you can see them there. And this is how I ride majority of the time. Orange and red Demon eyes. I just think it just looks super mean and aggressive. And then I actually have light and trend strips in my grill that light up with my turn signals. And a little bit, I'll cut those 3 lights off, and so that you can see it. Matter of fact, we're gonna do that right now. So as you can see, my light and trends headlights, they do switchbacks. The actual red demon eyes cut off when my turn signals cut on. And then the grill is also lighting up. And then here you can see my sequential turn signals. Now I will do a video on this later on, the whole install process of sequential turn signals onto this truck. I love those things. They look really, really good. They're amazing. And the only thing that I probably should have did is I probably should have flipped the light the opposite way, so it was doing the sequential turn signal out, which would be the actual direction that the truck is turning. But those things actually look really good, and they just hit with the truck. I also have light and trends underglow that I can change to all the colors. So that's another thing that's on the truck here in my lighting, escapade, to be, I guess, the brightest is what I want to do. I have a starlight ceiling on the inside. Let's open up the back of the truck so y'all can see the starlight ceiling. And all of this stuff has been installed by me. I hadn't showed y'all the video of me replacing my seats with the diamond stitch. I actually installed those as well. With the starlight ceiling, that's a 550 light kit. I'll turn my rock lights back on, but I'll show you the wheel wells again. I have 16 rock lights, 4 in each wheel well. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, 16, 4 in each wheel well. I keep doing quick math and messing it up because I keep thinking 3 in each wheel well and having 12, but I got 4 in each wheel well. Then I have that light bar back there, the tailgate light bar. I love that thing. Lights up both ways, does sequential from the back of the truck as well. I actually have LEDs in my third brake light up there. And I think that's just about all the lighting that I have on the truck. Now there's a lot of features that I'm not going to go into in this video. If you there's something you want to see specifically, go ahead and just write me in the comments and tell me what you want to see, because like a lot of my lights, they flash, they change colors, all type of stuff. But yeah, I'm not going to make this video go crazy by being like, all right, now these lights turn on, do these lights do that, because I could go through so much stuff. That light bar flashes. I have a whole nother setting, of course, with the pod lights. I have the controller for all the underglow and rock lights on the controller, so I can make them flash different patterns. Of course, the headlights, they're RGBW for the light and trends. They do all type of different patterns and stuff down the line of single color though. They're not the Flow Series ones. I didn't want all of the extra. I really just wanted orange lights. Really all I cared about. All right, y'all, so this video has been a long time coming. I have so many mods on this truck that I hadn't been videotaping, hadn't been showing y'all. And I was just like, man, I need to get back on to doing my YouTube stuff. I still can make some money from this thing. I actually still make money from these videos. And people want to see the truck. So here it is. Write me in the comments what y'all want to see. I'll do more videos on the stuff that y'all actually want to see and things down the line. I got some more. My stripes are coming for the truck. I needed to take care of a couple of things, but my wrap guy is going to end up wrapping the truck with some stripes. So I'll do a video on that once I get the stripes on there, let you see what it looked like. I got wheel lights just at the house. I haven't put them on because I'm making my own custom wheel lights. So I'm like, yo, one of these days I'll take the time to actually put these wheel lights on the truck. I just haven't done so yet. But let me know if there's anything that you want to know about the truck. Let me know if there's anything that you want to see me do to the truck that maybe I haven't thought about. Because for y'all that have been rocking with me for a long time, this is the type of stuff I do regardless of being on YouTube. All of my vehicles are custom made. Like I customize every last one of them to my liking. I cannot ride the same as anybody else. So if you go out and buy you a white Ram 1500, I refuse to look the same. That's why I do all of this stuff to mine. I just have to be different. It's something about me. I don't know what's wrong with me because I'm spending so much money, but I love it. I'm a big kid at heart, and this is my big Tonka truck, my little big toy. It's not really a big truck to, the truck guys out there. It's a good size one, but it ain't, 1500 ain't huge, but whatever, it's big to me. So this is my big toy, my big baby Ava. So once again, man, if I helped you out with anything, if there's any items on this list that you want to know more about, hit me up. Everything should be in the description. I generally list all of my mods in the description so that you can go down there, find which mod you want, click on the link, go straight to it, and be able to purchase it. A lot of people love that hood. A lot of people want them 3 little lights. Them 3 little lights was like 18 bucks on eBay. A lot of this stuff isn't that expensive. I didn't write down all the prices of everything, so I can't lie and tell you like the exact prices of everything that I got. I can tell you the sequential turn signals on Amazon were $28. They are amazing, like $28, and they look phenomenal, and they fit right. I didn't have to customize them any at all. They fit right in those little nostrils there. So, and you don't see them if you're not really looking for them. If you're not paying attention, like if I didn't tell anybody they were there, y'all wouldn't see them. So they're not bulky, any of those things. They look like they were made for this truck, and they're generic. They're generic sequential turn signals. They're actually made for you to put on a trailer because they have brake light features and all of that, and I didn't really want to use the brake light feature. If I had thought about it earlier, I would have hooked up the brake light features to an on and off switch. That way I could make it go red when I want to. But I cut the wire. I could go back in and solder, connect it, and go ahead and run it, but I don't feel like taking that grill back out. So maybe if enough people write down in the comments that they want to see install on the sequential turn signals on the grill, I'll actually take it apart, and then maybe I'll solder that wire while I'm in there, because it's super easy. Remove the top bezel off the top of the grill, which is a bunch of push pins. Once you remove that, remove the bezel that's right underneath it. It's going to be a 10 millimeter screws. Take a little drill. It's about 13 of those. Take those out, and then you're going to take out a couple screws on the actual grill, and that whole grill will pop right out, and you can get right to it. So, man, I feel like I'm talking a lot. Until next time, let's go.
Ride through the hood, blowing smoke in the wind. Raising up my glass, let's toast to the wind. I'm only getting started, I ain't close to the end. I came to make a point, I don't want no friends. So I tell them bitches.